Spreadsheets are made up of cells, each of the rectangles being filled with yellow is a cell. You can resize a cell by dragging the line as seen here. Most spreadsheet software will resize a cell to the correct size automatically. Watch. It is useful to be able to resize a cell automatically if the contents, such as text, are too big. Did you notice how it keeps switching pages? These are called tabs. You can have different tabs in the same spreadsheet. Along the top of the spreadsheet are columns. They are represented by capital letters. Going down the left-hand side are rows. They are represented by numbers. Cells have references, like cinema seats. The yellow one is G8. The column letter always comes first, then the row number. So for the blue one, look above to see K and then look left to see 18. The reference is K18. The red bar being highlighted now represents the range H4 to N4. The range starts at H4, the colon means 2. The range ends at N4. Here is another range across more than one column. The range starts at B6 and goes to C18.